Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Isa na namang balita ayon sa ABS-CBN Entertainment News. Last December proved to be challenging month for Alex Gonzaga and her husband Mikey Morada. The latter revealed the news that his wife had suffered her third miscarriage last month in an emotional interview with Tony Gonzaga on her online show Tony Talks. The episode, which was titled The Hardest Conversation Had with Mikey, was uploaded on YouTube on January 26. In the more than 28-minute vlog, Mikey shared with his sister-in-law the rollercoaster journey that he and Alex went through during the last month of 2024. Hindi namin talaga akalain. Wala kaming plano. Ang plano namin, baka posible makaprepare muna ng katawan, or kung ano man. Pero naturally pa rin gusto namin subukan. And then a few days delayed pa lang siya, pagtingin namin, positive. Nung nalaman namin na pregnant kami for the third time, nagpa-check up kami kaagad sa UE and okay naman. Tapos nag-decide kami na mag-iingat na talaga siya and the second week, okay pa yung ultrasound. Hanggang dun sa pangatlong linggo, sabi sa amin nung doktor, naku, wala na namang laman. Blighted ovum ulit. So bumagsak ulit yung ano namin pero mas kaya kaysa sa una. Kasi nakailan na kami he said. The holidays were especially challenging for the couple because they had to do multiple visits to the hospital to ensure that the pregnancy was stable after having experienced previous miscarriages. Ginawa namin lahat. Trainee namin ay save. And then ang sunod namin na check-up ay December 23. So pagkatapos nun, masaya kami, baka ibibigay sa amin bago magpasko, okay na. A few days before, sabi ng doktor, ay hindi pala ako pwede sa 23. Baka pwede natin ay move sa 28. So syempre hanggang 28 expecting ka. Nakalutang ka, he recalled. Alex admits that they received the heart-wrenching news a few days after Christmas. Nung dumating ang December 28, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Nakahawak kami ng kamay, pagpasok namin nakita na namin kagad yung embryo, yung baby, pero wala na siya heartbeat. So nagkatinginan kami. Umiyak syempre. Si Catherine nung una, strong siya eh. Pero nung umuwi kami ng gabi, dun siya nag-breakdown, he revealed. Please don't forget to subscribe and see Trends and Tour Chen. Click the notification bell to notify you in our next video and please like and share and comment down below. Thank you for watching.